Avant-Garde Teacher here. I hope you'll enjoy watching this video and find something you can use. I may not be a pro, but I always find creative ways to work with what I have. And if you like this video, click like and subscribe. Then join us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and get more of Avant-Garde Teacher. Thanks for watching.
This video is rated E for everyone.
All right, let's get started. Well, as you can see, this is an all about me, but kind of put together with a yearbook because most of us are starting off digitally this year. So I actually have included the virtual classroom in this activity. I have where they can post their pictures of their family as a drag and drop activity. And what this is going to do is make it fun for the kids, but also get them acclimated to doing Google Slides and moving and navigating around for later on with activities they'll need to submit. So I have a place for their favorite books where they can go and get pictures of different books and put in there or type in there. A place for them to put pictures of friends. I also have GIFs located down below, so to teach them how to put in GIFs and animate their Google Slide to give it that wow factor, or to make them really proud of what they've done or accomplished something. So just remember, you go to the image icon or insert image, and then when it drops down you go to by URL and you paste that URL in there, click insert, and there you go. You have an animation on your Google Slide. Lots of things I included. I included accomplishments, a place for their accomplishments. I included a place for their goals. And in case you don't have time to create your own, I have this one that I have put on my TPT site. It's not very costly and just save you some time. But again, it's very easy to create. It does take a bit of time just to get everything right that you want to have in there. But otherwise, it's a fun activity. It's going to get the kiddos and students ready to go forward in this digital age of learning. I hope you like this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm going to be doing a series of different activities to engage the kids starting off this year. All right, thank you so much for watching.
This video, click like and subscribe. Then join us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and get more of the Avant-Garde Teacher.